So I'll be explaining as detailed as I can for this trig equation, which is cosine x over 1 plus sine x plus cosine x over 1 minus sine x equals to 2 secant x. So the first step, we want to have a common denominator since we are trying to plus two terms that have two fractions that have different denominator together. So for the first term, we will multiply it by 1 minus sine x, and for the second term here, we will multiply the denominator and the top and the bottom by 1 plus sine x, so equals to 2 secant. And then the next step, when 1 plus sine x times 1 minus sine x, the result will be 1 minus sine square x. So is the right side, so just yeah. And then we then, since we have the common denominator, we can combine these two equations or terms, and becomes cosine x times 1 minus sine x plus cosine x times 1 plus sine x divided by 1 minus sine square equals to 2 secant. And then we will then use for the denominator, we will use this trig identity, which is cosine square plus sine square equals to 1. We flip that equation around and we will get this 1 minus sine square equals to cosine square, which is here 1 minus sine square. We will just change it to cosine square to make our life easier. And then on this step, we will, since here is minus sine x and plus sine x, we can just cancel them, which will leave us 1 plus 1 equals to 2. So here is cosine times 2 over cosine squared equals to 2 secant. And we will cancel out 1 cosine x on both top and the bottom, which will become 1 times 2 over cosine x equals to 2 secant. For the last step, we will want to separate the 2 from the 1 over cosine x, which will looks like this: 2 times 1 over cosine x equals to 2 secant. And as we know, 1 over cosine x will just equals to secant. So 2 times secant will equals to 2 times secant. Yeah, that's all for the first one.